It's a privilege and happy note that the policy maker, a monetary authority, banking system regulator, and the governor, deputy to RBI, Sri R. Gandhi, and Mr. Das, Mr. Krishna Mohan, because several grievances in the form of goes to Mr. Krishna Mohan only, and so also the bankers who are associated with a common man to the middleman to the industry and all. So also they have been associated with the FAPSI, like Central Bank of India, Mr. Balkishan Ajay Agrawal, SIDBI, Mr. Nagaraj Baba, who are knowledge partners and for going to the clusters, and SBH, who has taken this year initiative when we have represented to Dr. Subbarao Governor that we are not getting CGT, MSA schemes, etc. Then he came here along with the Andhra Bank and gave few loans, and other banks also came forward that we are also ready to give funding and hold exporters conclave, etc. But so, as MSME, as our president just now just touched upon, I would like to tell you that what we are looking, because I have been instructed by my president also that though I have got a very big things which I wanted to represent before you, he has instructed me that please be short, because we have to listen to the person whom we have come and sitting here over here. But few facts I would like to bring to your knowledge, that what is that we have requested and we request you, sir. Because of two powers we are in the problem, sir. One is the electrical power and another is the political power. We are hanging in between. Both powers are troubling us. So we look forward to the person, because MSME cannot go to the market to raise the funds. They look forward to the banks only. And the banks are the patrons in the form of funding. Today topic is very much apt today to know the customer, know your customer. It is not just to know your customer at the time of making him the customer, but thereafter, really knowing a customer or for a bank starts afterwards. His industrial needs, his individual needs. You have given an education loan to the person for getting higher knowledge, but thereafter, no connectivity between the bank and the person who has acquired the knowledge. A person who has industrial needs, who wants to export, who has been a customer with a small security and things, but because of the difficulties, as I have mentioned you, now he may be moving towards NPA norms. He has two concerns at that point of time when he is in the difficulty, because NPA norms leads to two aspects. One is the time factor, which is relevant to the time, not the working hours of the industry. So we request you that instead of 90 days, it should be made 180 working days for classification as NPA norms. Second, in respect of security relaxation norms, a small industry, which we have talked about because of just 1 crore up to 1 crore CGT MSME, why not it should be made for a certain sum of money, because now we are one birth, which is we are going to take a birth on 2nd June as independently in 2 states where we look forward for infrastructure mostly and power energy sector. These are long gestation period projects, and recently our governor also has given a hinting that this should be this RBI should be free of political influence and interferences, and a special focus should be on the infrastructure. So we look forward with that, because just with the GML gold metal loans, gold prices have come down by 1,000 rupees, which is again public cause, which we will look forward, and exporters definitely look forward for guarantees without cash margins, which they are asking for 100%. I look forward that when the expansion takes place, because when I have a unit in Telangana and I am going to have a special development package in Andhra, we wanted to have 2 eyes both in one and Telangana. We cannot take out our both eyes put in one place and another. So at the time of expansion, we wanted to see that the umbrella which you have given us is not taken out when it is a sun, heat, or it is rain. Though the predictions are there that this time the rain will not be that much. So again a difficulty. So we again look forward to you, sir, for that support.